Hi everyone. We all want to talk about our success, correct? I'm saying this because I would like to talk all day about eggplants and tomatoes, which are most successful veggies in HJ's garden. As you have been following my harvest episodes, eggplant is added in almost all harvests because it's been producing since few months continuously. This plant was replanted here in last October and so overwintered. Once days started warming up, it took off the growth as well as eggplant production. This is Black Beauty eggplant variety having small prickly thorns on stem, calyx and leaves. I always get hurt when pruning, harvesting and even while watering. Even gloves couldn't help much because these thorns are really strong. These plants were established from seed, however, I did not see much germination rate. I prefer buying good variety of eggplants instead of struggling with seeds. But once plants are replanted and put on track, they don't need much maintenance. There is a lot of talk out there on fertilizing eggplants, but I personally did not feed these plants every month, to be honest with you. Not only eggplants but all veggies growing in my garden have not fed with the fertilizers much because they are good without adding regularly. That might be because we are using this ground for the first year for cultivation. Going forward, they might need because all the nutrients might have drained up by growing the veggies, and that time I would add. I have pruned this plant few times to control the growth and allow sunlight pass through the base. Nonetheless, the growth is still vigorous. I never see eggplant this giant before. I would like to give you a few interesting facts about eggplants in this episode. Eggplant seeds contain nicotine, and eggplant has the highest concentration of nicotine of any plant. The nicotine gives eggplants that characteristically bitter flavor, but don't worry too much because 20 pounds of eggplant contain only as much nicotine as one cigarette. Eggplants contain a fair amount of nasonin. This powerful antioxidant protects the lipids surrounding brain cell membranes, keeping free radicals out and your head healthy. China, the original cultivators of eggplants, also grow the most eggplant in the world. China grows more than 28 million tons of eggplants annually. It only takes 60 days from planting to harvest, despite the eggplant's potentially large size. It is a superfood. Eggplant is low in calories and sodium and is a great source of dietary fiber, potassium, and B vitamins. The next time you are admiring a bright eggplant, just think of all the antioxidants and minerals it provides. Look at the base and marks of stems pruned earlier. I fed this with all-purpose fertilizer couple of days ago. While it is growing, I also gave organic fish fertilizer couple of times. Other two plants also grown from the same seed and replanted in this bed a month ago. You can see thorns on leaves appear as black dots. If you are wondering what am I doing with all these eggplants, I have started making eggplant salsa these days in addition to the usual curries which go very well with tortilla chips. I love eggplant for its flavor. So the bottom line is eggplant is a high fiber, low calorie food that is rich in nutrients and comes with many potential health benefits. From reducing the risk of heart disease to helping with blood sugar control and weight loss, eggplants are a simple and delicious addition to any healthy diet. They are also incredibly versatile and fit well into many dishes. Hope you enjoy beautiful eggplants. Click like and subscribe. Comment saying how you like the eggplants and wait for my next episode. Have a good weekend ahead.